everybody, this is the End Demon, and I am at Weston Spring 2017. Say hi.
Hi.
That's my dad. He brought me here. And everybody at this table, say hi to YouTube.
Hi YouTube.
Hello. Would you like to purchase a gander lamb?
So I am known to be competing in 2x3 and 2x2. This is my Gans Grandmaster. I have made a video on this, so check it out. It's somewhere on my channel. It's not a clickbait video. It's the Purple Dance Grandmaster Luke with DNM 37. And this is Kung Fu Yuehan, I think that's how you say it. Luke with weight 3. So yeah, that's the stuff that I'm competing in. And this is what I'm in.
Oh, I forgot what heats I'm in. I should look at those.
It's for this. I'm not doing 4x4.
Wait, how should be starting right now?
Well, it takes time because
Connor's
the
coming all the way
weather.
from Woonsocket, so he'll be here at like 11.
2x2, 2x3, 4x4.
I mean, I'm coming here all the way from
yeah.
Sudbury, which is.
A lot of people here. It's cool cubes. Cubes that I've barely even seen, like this tower cube that one guy asked me to solve. Yeah, that was him. Do you care if you're in a YouTube video? I don't care. Yeah, this guy has a tower cube. He asked me to solve it. I couldn't solve it. It's impossible. Yeah. So if you solve a tower cube, tell me in the comments. Okay? This is not on YouTube. And that cube. So damn it. What is it? Well, can I try it? Sure. Go right ahead. I'm gonna have to do it OH. Dang, this is good. That is good, but it's so worn out.
Yeah, it's really worn out.
Yeah. We only had a stand. And does my dad solve for my very long GTS? Or maybe he's just scrambling it.
What's your 2x2 single in comp?
Bad.
DNF.
2.76, I think.
2.76.
Mine is DNF.
Exactly.
Mine is DNF.
Yeah.
I know him.
Mine is DNF.
My judge. What? His handwriting was
Yeah.
terrible.
This is a school and you can't tell. The school we're competing in. This is the cafeteria. Over here. Here are the things that we're going to be solving in. Yay. Also, I heard that there's supposed to be a cube shop. But I don't see a cube shop. Do you see a cube shop? Answer no. Answer no in the comments. Yeah, I need to get back to my table.
Into like the finals when you didn't all get in.
I'm probably not going to make 2x3 round 2.
They just changed the number on his average.
You want to go to finals? Just here.
Oh, it's Eric now.
Eric's in the house.
I have a sub that average. I might as well. Will I have a sub that average? Actually, I'm pretty sure I have a sub. Yeah, don't you have like 11.13 or something? It's like 11.7.
This is my dad
I
solving.
have 11.03.
He takes about a minute. Are you scrambling it? Oh. Okay, well, we'll come back later. Oh, yeah.
Wait, is that +2? I can't tell.
Somewhere around here is a Dan's UM. Somewhere.
Yeah, that's good.
Is that the Dan's UM? Yeah, it's very good
What
as
if we
you
can't
can
solve this
see.
5x5? Well, then. So funny, then I might die.
And yeah, so I'll get back. The next part of this video will be me solving. Bye.